Hello, Beavers! In this video, I'd like to share with you how I started Eager Beavers. So before I launched the YouTube channel, first um, I started an online Bible study with my friends. So we started with three, and then we became four, and then now we are five, and we just finished our fifth session last Saturday. So why is it and how is it an answered prayer from God? So this is my journal. I write here my prayers to God, the Bible verses that I read, and then my thank you notes to God, and my very short petitions to God. So this accounts my answered prayer when praying or reading the Bible. So here's one of my answered prayers from reading the Bible. On March 27th this year, I wrote here from Psalm 133 verses 1 and 3. How good it is, how pleasant, where the people dwell as one. There the Lord has lavished blessings, life forevermore. And then I wrote here, God connects me with the people who matter to my calling. So I was trying to manifest with God by praying the Bible and writing my petitions, my prayer requests to God. On April 4th, it was also a Saturday. I wrote here after my Bible reflection. I wrote here, Dear God, thank you for the happy free talk session today. Thank you for the joyful first Beavers session today. So before it became Eager Beavers, it was only Beavers at first, Bible verse. Um, and then I changed it to Eager Beavers. So there, why did I pray for this? I remember before praying for this, Psalm 133 verses 1 and 3, I was not really feeling okay emotionally. And then I felt the need to find a community where I feel like I belong on another level, perhaps on a spiritual level. So there, God answered my prayer. It was only just a matter of, I think, around 1 week. So God answers really fast when we read the Bible. You can see the result immediately because God loves it when we spend time reading His Word. So there, I hope I inspired you to read the Bible more often because God God is waiting for us to connect with Him through His Word, and that is through the Bible. Have a blessed day, Beavers!